What up, YouTube? Welcome to ElectroBraap. Today I'm out here on my electric dirt bike, the Alta Redshift MXR. And today we're going to talk about electric bikes and hill climbs. As far as this thing goes in hill climbing, there's a lot of pros and not a lot of cons. Actually, I can't think of any cons. Some of the pros are 147 foot-pounds of torque anytime I touch that throttle. So I never have to worry about stalling out. I never have to worry about carrying momentum. The only thing that I have to worry about is keeping traction and where I'm going. Here we go. Go, torque, 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 go. No!
But why? Why would you do that? Why would you do any of that?
I frickin' screwed it up! This hill's so steep. I'm thinking you probably can't even tell on camera, but I can barely stand. Round 2. I'll make it this time. Pretty gnarly hill. I should have made it the first time. I really messed that up. There you go. Round 2. I'm spinning like crazy. Give me traction. Oh my God, I got no traction. I needed speed. Come on. There we go. Well, made it. One way or another. Man, it's dry out here. Look at that dust. No traction at all. And that's what you worry about with this thing. That's all you got to fight. It's kind of easy to find yourself in that laziness where you think, oh, I don't need to worry about keeping my momentum, but power isn't everything. Sometimes you need that momentum to overcome traction. And I forget that and I end up going a little too slow. Because quote unquote I can, but really I can't. Depending on the condition of the dirt. Love this trail. So good. Picking up dirt like crazy. Here we go. Here's another climb for you. I can't even see what I'm hitting. Never worrying about torque. Not worrying about what gear I'm in. I want to go more, I just squeeze more. Oh my Lord. I don't know if you can hear that tire screaming for help back there. That's what it's doing. But that is nice though. To be able to hear that tire, you know exactly how much traction you have. The suspension on this bike is so good. My Lord. Feels smooth as a baby's bottom, let me tell you. Yee! So here's some beginner to intermediate hills. But right here I can kind of demonstrate the low RPM torque and this bike's ability to not stall, which basically, it's like cheating. I'm gonna do a crawl. I'm gonna see how slow I can go up.
Slow you can do?
Yep.
Well, you got me beat on that one.
It's gonna be rad. It's gonna be the slowest, dopest thing I've ever done.
Right.
Come on, tractor. We're going 10 miles an hour. Oh, 9, 8. I feel like there's no way this is 6 miles an hour, but I guess it is. Come on, baby. Oh, I can go slower. I can go slower. I can go slower. Oh, yeah. Come on. We're almost stopped. So the torque is anytime, anywhere. I'm even in mode 1. I don't even need to move up in modes or maps to get any of that torque. Woo, woo! Hey! That's what I'm talking about. As we move into these drier months, I'm gonna have to look at getting some other kind of tire because this back tire is already destroyed from this dry dirt. It was not meant for that. It's a motocross tire. It's meant for a groomed track, and it's just absolutely mangled already. Thinking sticking with the same Bridgestones, but move to the intermediate. That'll be better out here. So there's a lot of pros to an electric bike and hill climbing, but there's not a lot of cons. Actually, there aren't any cons. I can't think of one single thing that's worse about this bike for hill climbing than any other bike. I can't think of one bike that'd be better at hill climbing than this, except for a custom built bike.
Throw a swing arm on that bitch and be pretty solid.
Yeah, let's do an extended swing arm. Do you guys think I should do an extended swing arm? Like just a little baby one, 4 inches or something? Let me know down in the comments below. I think that'd be rad.
I feel like that would be a world first too.
World's first Alta with extended swing arm? Maybe. Let's rip this hill one time. Yee! Come on, baby. We'll start from here. We don't need no run up. Power! Ah! No traction! Ah! 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 Made it! Three, 2, 1! Alright. Oh, what a noob.
I don't know why that does that.
Because you're a noob.
Because I'm fat.
It is. Your bike's fat shaming you. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! That was literally the world's best launch. All right, 3, 2, 1. What was that? What a ween. That was pretty good. Can you do jingle bells? I heard it. I heard it. Here this boy go. Oh no. Okay. That boy did it. Look at him go. He's been wanting to hit that for so long. Finally made his mind up. Nailed it, dude. Frickin' sick. Nice tank top, bro. Oh! He need milk. Get that boy some milk. There's a dope climb right here between these trees. Let's hit it. Wheelie! Yeah! In conclusion, I can't think of anything. If you guys can, let me know in the comments below. I know I've said that a couple times this video, but seriously, there's just no cons. All benefits in terms of hill climbing. Unlimited torque, nice low center of gravity, power on demand, traction for days, if you can control it, which I suck. This thing's just too good. It's a beast. I think we're just gonna send it. This is sketch. I better make it. Oh God, I need speed. Here we go. I hit the camera on the bars. Oh, my tire's screaming for help. Lord help me. Oprah Winfrey, help me. Made it. Woo! All right, guys. I think that's going to conclude this video. There's not much more I can say. This thing absolutely kills it in the hill climb department. No competition, not that I am aware of. If you liked this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time.